Diyan kasi kulit. Zoe! Oh! Nagkaubogan! Are you okay? Ouchie? Go here. You go here, oh. Nasa Zoe. Ay, pala. Go, Liam. Go, slide. 1, 2, 3, go. Go, Zoe. Alam mo, kakakayat siya ng gano'n, eh. Hi, Tati. Si Zoe. Pagod na, umalis na. Wow, like that. Oh, to ano madali? Wow, pa ba si Zoe? Ayaw niya. Zoe. Here, anak, here. Baby, there only. You want here? Zoe, no, come here. Hi, Zoe. Napapagot yung picture. Say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Welcome to the guys. Napapagot yung picture. Go to Tati. 30? Yeah, 30. Go to Princess. Eh, no, isa kayo mo dyan. Eh, na, mahilo na naman yan, ha? Nasabi ko sa'yo. Huwag masyadong malakas. Baka, sumuka. Uy, mahilo. Uy, tama na! Yung ulo niya.
Wala nang effect kagad.
Sinadya na yung hilo. Take two, take two.
Wala nang hilo. Hold. Wait, nabitan ka, naklang. Ay?
The pink, the pink.
Let's go to the pink. Sit. Hold tight, hold tight.
Uy, mahilo.
Yan siya.
Uy, tama na! Kay Ate Ken, sige ka. Uy, gago na eh. Parang nalutang. Parang lumutang. Uy! Eh, tuwa-tuwa, hinihilo yung anak ko. Sabi niya, ano ka?
Picture. Baby.
Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Mom, come here. Mom, come here. Mom, come here.
Si Liam, si Lucar pala to.
Mommy, come here. Mommy, come
Hi!
Hi.
Huwag masyado malakas ha. Stop daw, stop. Zoe, sit down only, sit only.
Look at Liam and Lothar, oh.
Gusto niya hiluhin si, ano yun, si Zoe eh.
Oh, come on, sorry, come on.
Gusto niya yan, yung matutumba rin niya mo, tawa yan. Sila dyan niya, ginagawa niya yung ulo. Ikaw talaga, lupot ka.
Ay, sabi na. Yeah. Sabi na, oh.
Go there.
No.
I will get you, Zoe. Zoe, where are you? Oops, did you see Zoe?
Where's Zoe?
Oh no, where is Zoe? Zoe, where are you? I'm gonna get you. I saw you do something moving there. Wow.
My eyes.
I'm gonna hide again?
Yeah.
Okay, go, hide.
Go, go, go.
Go.